Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jonathan and this is Sparkle On. I'm here today and you're here today, and I'm here today after work at Mill Pond. It's right in Sayville and it's just such a peaceful place. Although I'm by myself physically, I don't feel like I'm by myself, if that makes sense. You know, we have tree friends and so I feel guided to talk about what I learned from another fellow Reiki master. She said, so when we sit down to eat, she said to take 3 deep breaths. This way, because like if you're around, like if you're in food service or you're in service, but you're around people, so it's nice to decompress the energy, and then this way, it's nice. I imagine it's very Ayurvedic maybe, but ever since she said that, I've been doing that, and that I just find that really helps to decompress, and so you can eat calmly, if that makes sense, so and in a good state, good state of being. So I just wanted to make this video and I have a new song coming through, and I'm honored to share this song with you. It goes like this. Birds on a wire, dressed in bird attire. This is spiritual fire. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Birds on a wire, dressed in bird attire. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Birds on a wire, dressed in bird attire. When one bird flies away and brings the others higher. Birds on a wire, dressed in bird attire. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Birds on a wire, dressed in bird attire. One bird flies away and helps the other birds go fly higher, 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 higher in the sky. Birds on a wire, dressed in bird attire. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. This song is fire, this song is fire, this song is fire. May it light your candle. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here are the swans. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here are the swans. Can you see them? Can you see the swans? Om Namah Shivaya, birds on a wire, dressed in bird attire. No, they're not tired, they simply sing the praises of a new day, a new way of being in the present, a new way. There are the swans, and they're swimming, and we're sparkling on through the sunshine and being in nature, being in nature. Birds on a wire, birds on a wire, dressed in bird attire. No, they're not tired, they're simply on a wire. Birds on a wire, dressed in bird attire. Birds on a wire. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. I bow to the light within you, I bow to the light within me, I bow to the light within you. We bow to the light within the trees, we bow to the light within the trees, we bow to the light within the trees. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. They wanna take us higher. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. They wanna take us higher. Shake off the lower energies, shake off the lower energies. Birds on a wire, dressed in bird attire. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Stay true to yourself and all else will unfold, 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 unfold for you and me. We are here. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Birds on a wire, dressed in bird attire. Om Namah Shivaya. And I am living proof that you can be in the LGBTQ community and you don't have to be saturated in partying, and you can be in nature and be lit from within naturally without even any substances. The only substance is air, is water, is earth, is the sun, is simply breathing in. And it's only just begun, you know? So thank you for stopping by my channel, and I'm so honored and grateful to share that song with you, and may you be blessed, and peace be with you, and yes, Om Namah Shivaya. Go in peace. See you later in the next video. And I'll leave you with this. If you're wondering where this is Mill Pond in Sayville. There's a little bench here, and then this is the water. And this is available to everyone. See the sun on the water? It is so important to be in nature, especially right about now. I know I said I was going to end the video, but I just feel to continue. It is so important to be in nature because this is a gift from God. And you know when you say you need just need a breath of fresh air? Well, here it is, right in nature. Want to heal? Go in nature. Want to feel better? Go in nature. Want to see the sun sparkling diamond light on the water? Go in nature. Want to disconnect to reconnect? Go in nature. Even if it's for an hour a day, what a difference this world will be. What a difference our energy. Right away, I just feel so much energy. And being grounded and feeling what it feels like to have our feet on the earth. And hearing the birds, they're so sweet. And spring is just around the corner, honey. And yeah. Om Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Go in peace. Be sound and happy and healthy in mind, body, and spirit. God bless.